What happening, man? Man, hey, today, this YouTube video right here, you're gonna be talking about different types of girls and eating ass. Like it might sound a little bit funny, but I'm dead serious, bro. And I'm finna talk about how y'all niggas be letting girls eat y'all ass, bro. Like, bro, y'all are gay, bro. Let's get this shit going, dude. Out the gate.
He lost his life over a post. In a 392 skate pack, doing a dance, feel like a ghost.
Alright, bro, look. I'm just gonna keep it a buck with you, bro. This some real shit, bro. Like, look. We got white girls. We got Latino big booty girls. We got black girls. We got Chinese girls. We got goddamn Mexican girls. We got goddamn Puerto Rican girls. Goddamn all type of kind of girls, bro. But niggas is so freaked out nowadays, bro. They let niggas eat their ass. Who the fuck want a nigga tongue in their ass? Even if it's a girl, bro, that shit's still gay. Like, who the fuck? Like, would you let a nigga lick you in your ass, bro? Like, come on now, bro. Come on now, bro. Like, be real, bro. That shit gay, bro. Fuck you let a nigga lick you in your ass. Hey, what you gonna say? What you gonna say? You with your girl? You want to eat your ass? But hey, babe, he lick my ass. You gonna spray the cheeks over? Like, come on, bro. Oh, that shit just gay, bro. Like, stop that shit, bro. The fuck wrong with y'all, bro? Then look, hey, I know, look, hey, fat girl pussy be the best pussy for real, bro. That pussy be chunky and milky, nigga. Like, you just stroking that ass, like, stroke that ass. Stroke that ass, and that bitch gonna bounce back. That bitch gonna bounce back, nigga. Then they gonna bounce back when they do, like, nigga, you get goddamn motherfucking 2-for-1 combo, nigga. You strike that ass one time, then bitch gonna bounce back two. Keep doing that shit. Get a little rotation going on with that shit. Ooh. Nigga like a Wendy's 4-for-4, striking that ass, nigga. Striking that ass. Striking that ass, oh my. Like, you going ham in that ass, bro. Hey, I ain't never deal with no white girl, bro, but shit, hey. I'm trying to see what that means. What that ain't saying, man. Oh my. But back to the point of these gay ass niggas let a girl eat their ass, bro. Like, hey, bro, that shit's unacceptable, bro. Like, he ain't nothing, but he ain't no excuse around that shit, bro. Like, you just gay, bro. Hey, y'all seen some of my drawing, bro? Bro, it's too much pussy and it's too much, like, it's too many girls in the world to be letting somebody eat your ass, bro. And you a nigga, bro. It don't even matter if it is a girl, bro. But some of these niggas be gay for real. Oh God, hey, that's why a lot of these niggas they be trying to build their homeboy and shit. Yeah, hey, if you got a boyfriend, bro, that nigga he don't want to spend time with you. Don't want to take you nowhere. Don't want to, you feel me? Spend time with you. Don't want to take you to the movies. Got down, blow a little bag on you. Yep. His homeboys is eating his ass. And you don't even know it. And they eating his ass. Hey, my drone dead, bro. I need. Hey, this bit dead. Hey, I'm gonna fly this bit for y'all on another video. When it be charged up. But man, look, I will never, ever, bruh, if a girl try to lick my ass, bruh, oh God, I'm gonna slap her ass. Like, get the fuck off me, nigga. What the fuck? I'm just playing. Like, I don't hit girls, bro. But I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, hey, don't do that shit, shawty. Don't eat my ass. I don't want my ass ate. Do it like on my ass ate. Fuck. Hey, but for real though, on God, like, they say when nigga their ass ate, bro, that shit just, that shit help with they prostate or some shit. Like, on God, that shit help with their health or some shit. I swear to God. And that shit weird as fuck. But that shit really real, bro. Niggas really be out there making their ass ate, bro. Like, that shit crazy. Hey, babe, come here. Eat my ass cheeks. Bro, like, how the fuck do I sound, bro? Come on now, bro. I was like, hey, babe. I just want my ass ate. Can you eat my ass? And some of these girls be freaked out to say yes, bro. Bro, if you say yes to that shit, bro, you don't got no word for yourself. You a fucking hoe, bro. Like, that shit's sad. You get desperate, eat your nigga ass. Don't you know fucking boo-boo come out here shit? Boo-boo come out this nigga ass. And you gonna stick your fucking tongue in that shit? You gonna stick your fucking, this what you eat with. You eat with this shit. Like, you put food in your mouth, you gotta chew that shit down with your big ass teeth. You gotta swallow that shit. That shit got to your tongue, bro. Like, you taste your food, bro. You taste your food with that shit. You gonna eat a nigga ass with that shit, bro. That shit made me mad, bro. Fuck you eating a nigga ass for? Why the fuck are you eating a nigga ass cheeks? You eating a nigga ass cheeks. The fuck wrong with you? The fuck? You eat a nigga ass. You eat a nigga fucking ass. You that desperate to eat a nigga fucking ass cheeks. Ass. 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 You gonna eat a nigga ass? What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you? And what the fuck wrong with the nigga for asking a girl to eat his fucking ass? Him hard taking the motherfucker. God damn. Freaked out ass. Bro. Niggas be gay, bro. I don't give a fuck. Like, man, be stroking a bit. Stroking that ass, bro. Now listen. Oh, let me lay down on my chest so you can eat my ass. That shit gonna be weird as fuck, ain't it? But then, some of these girls are saying, okay, bro. And they get down that bit. Spread them cheeks. They licking that ass. They licking in that ass, bro. They licking in that ass. And I bet that nigga got doo-doo on his shit. I bet he got boo-boo on his ass cheeks. And you licking that shit? You licking that nigga ass. He got boo-boo on his shit. He got boo-boo on his ass cheeks. And you licking this nigga ass. You in there. You in the air like that. Wow. I'm talking spit, slob, everything going in the nigga ass cheeks. And this is your tongue, bro. It is your tongue. And you is licking the inside of this nigga ass. He got hair in his booty hole. And you sticking your tongue in a nigga ass. A nigga ass. What the fuck wrong with you? Bro, my girlfriend come to me. If I had a girlfriend and the girl come to me and tell me, hey, babe, let me eat your ass tonight. Get up and say, get your fuck out my face, dude. What the fuck wrong with you? Like, eat my goddamn ass. You gonna eat my goddamn ass. I'm gonna eat your motherfucking ass. And I'm gonna eat that ass like ice cream too, nigga. I'm gonna be in that ass. I'm gonna get that ass. I'm gonna get that ass. I'm gonna be like, give me that ass. Give me that ass. Ooh, that ass. Ooh, that ass wet, baby. That's how I'm being that ass. Hey, when I get in that ass, hey, you might boo-boo in my face, nigga. I'm finna get in that ass, nigga. Like, I'm finna touch your small intestine with that goddamn tongue. I'm gonna suck the boo-boo out your shit, nigga. Suck all that shit out, nigga, on God. I ain't even gonna cap with your ass, bro. Like, real shit, I'm gonna get my girl ass. I'm gonna get in that ass. I'm gonna get in that ass like Subway Surfers, nigga. I'm gonna get in that ass like that. One knee. Get in that ass there. Hey, when I get in that ass, bro, ain't nothing to play with, boy. But a girl trying to lick my ass? A girl trying to lick my ass. A girl trying to put her tongue in my asshole. That is the most freak out is prison ass shit a nigga could fucking want from that girl, bro. And like, bro, I ain't even trying to be funny, bro. Oh God, listen real quick. Don't stop laughing, bro. Stop laughing, bro. Stop fucking laughing, bro. I'm dead ass serious. Stop fucking laughing. But it really grown ass niggas out there been getting their ass ate. Bro, I swear to God, I ain't even, bro, on my mom, I ain't even playing. I'm dead ass serious. There is really grown ass niggas out this bitch getting they fucking ass ate. I swear to God. I swear to God, bro. When is God good? All the time. When is niggas getting their ass ate? All the time. Niggas is out this bitch gay, bro. Like real shit, I ain't even playing, bro. That shit gay. Like, it's different and it's so many types of girls you can pick. Like, you feel me? Like, but you want your ass ate by a girl? I ain't even gonna get on topic with gay niggas, bro. Cause that shit, hey, I don't got nothing against no gay nigga, bro. But don't come around me with that shit, bro. I'm straight with you, bro. Like, don't come around me on that. Hey, bitch. No, nigga. Get the fuck out of my face. What the fuck wrong with your ass? No, I ain't with all that shit. Don't none of that shit, goddamn. Don't even try to goddamn. I shake it out, whatever, bro. Get your ass on. I ain't all the other shit. They low key trying to goddamn chase me on Snap. I'm not even actually on Snapchat. Fuck out my goddamn face, boy. I slap your bitch ass, bro. For real, bro. I ain't with the gay shit. Like, I know a couple gay folk. Like, shit, I don't give a fuck. Shit, they cool. Goddamn, don't come me with that shit, but hey, y'all niggas out this bitch getting y'all fucking ass ate. Hey, even if it's by a girl, bro, that shit not cool, bro. You fucking gay. You are fucking gay. It ain't no fucking point around that shit, bro. It ain't no excuse around that shit. Like, you got a girl slop you up with your slop type. You know, that's normal, goddamn, but hey, she might lick your balls. Shit, that's straight on too, but goddamn, when you tell her to lick your ass, fool. When you tell her to lick your ass, fool, you are pushing the fucking limits with that shit. And that shit crazy that some girls really doing that shit. That's why I never kiss no bitch, bro. Like, you probably be licking that nigga ass cheeks. Ain't gonna try to kiss me. Or kiss your damn kids, kiss your mama. Knowing goddamn well you just lick the nigga ass. You just lick the nigga ass, bro. Like, you need to change your fucking toothbrush. What the fuck? You just ate a nigga ass and gonna brush your teeth. What is bitch is disgusting. What you did this shit for? But you eat nigga ass, bro, I'll add you right now. I don't give a fuck if you're a girl, I'll add you. But if you a nigga who got your ass ate by a girl, get up, I'll add you. I said unadd me, nigga. Right now. Unadd me, bitch. Yeah. Unadd me now. Unadd me now. Get the fuck off my page, nigga. Yeah. All they making your motherfucking ass ate by girls and shit. Get the fuck off my shit. Hey, I wouldn't mind eating, like, you feel me? I wouldn't mind eating a girl ass, but like she gotta be clean though, bro. You know, I ain't finna eat no girl ass to be spanking and fuck, smell like boo boo, smell like goddamn fucking. But you know how like if you walk, you know y'all rode the bus before, bro. Like y'all ever rode the bus, like school bus, any type of bus, or you just sit down somewhere. Like you sit like when I rode the bus, I used to sit like in the middle, bro. So when everybody get on the bus, they walk past me. You know, I don't be trying to smell nobody and shit, but like, you know, somebody walk past you and they walk by air stink. If a girl walk by air stink, she stink, and I mean that ass stink. I'm not finna lick I'm not finna lick her pussy. I'm not finna lick her ass. None of that shit. Like, no, ain't none of that shit. Like, you know what I'm talking about, bro. On God, y'all know what I'm talking about. When somebody walk past you, can smell that. You just, or somebody sit down. And you smell the fucking air. Like, that shit stink. You fucking stink. You fucking stink. Bitch. Let's take a motherfucking shower. Wash that goddamn ass cheeks. Wash them goddamn armpits. Stinking ass. And put some goddamn deodorant on. Put some goddamn perfume. Goddamn Bath and Body Works lotion. Wash that ass. Wash that goddamn ass. Wash your motherfucking ass. Wash the motherfucking ass cheeks. Wash the motherfucking ass cheeks. Hey, that's it for today's video, man. I had to get it off my chest, bro. Cause like, bro, it's a dude I go to church with. He said he finna get his ass ate when he got in church. First, like, why did you think about getting your ass ate by your fucking wife? Why you in, like, he said that shit in church, bro. The fuck you getting your ass ate for? And why you thinking about that shit in church for, bro? Nigga ain't never been thinking about getting his fucking ass ate. Like, don't you want to be praising God, nigga? Fuck wrong with you, bro? And why you gonna tell me this shit? That shit just bothers me, bro. That's why I made this video. That's why I made this video, to express my inner feelings about that situation to you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed my topic. And I hope you guys subscribe and leave a motherfucking like out the gate and beat that ass like this. Man out. And don't forget to wash that motherfucking ass.